All right, today we're going to bring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 PNG. We're going to set it up. It comes with its own LED light built in. We're going to put it together on this monstrosity of a monster machine. And let's go ahead and set it up. All right, here's the final sequence. We install Windows 11 on this. RGB lighting built in the actual GPU. We're going to correct that right now from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We're going to go ahead and change the lighting to match maybe the case, but we need to download the application here. We are going to install a couple of things too, and I could feel the fan sucking the air out, sucking it in. So might have to change a couple things.